Excel tutorial index plus match. I'm Deepak Jacob Thomas. You are watching my channel djthomasedu-world.net. What exactly index and match? It is a combination of two Excel functions. Index and match can look up values both from the left and the right. Here, combining the function is the key to move with advanced formula in Excel. Let's move on to Excel sheet. Here I have an Excel spreadsheet done. I have entered a value for a plant, the sales done, the model, the revenue and the profit. Now I'll be using index and match function to find for the hatchback of model which plant it is been processed or sold out. Click on this empty cell equals index. Now it asks an array. Here we need to select this cell where we know the answer is there. Yes, where we know the answer is that's right. So the column A, complete range to be selected, comma, give a match. Now it asks the lookup value. What does it wants a lookup value? Say hatchback, comma, and the lookup array where the match for the lookup value is in column C. So select the column C. Here one thing should be noted that both the length of array of the index and the match should be of equal length, or else it will end up in error, comma, 0. We give an exact match and enter. It defines the hatchback is in Muscat. Let's do the same for sales. Equals index. It asks an array. We know where the sales answer is. It is in column B. Select complete range of the values column B, comma, type match. Now it asks a lookup value. Select this lookup value, the hatchback, that is H2, comma. Now where the lookup array is, here we can match for the hatchback for the lookup array in column C, comma, 0 for an exact match and close the bracket and enter. It says that the sales is with 50 units. Likewise, we will see for a comparison of revenue and profit with toggling. Before that, I will go for data validation to input a drop down list. Click on this active cell, data validation, list, select the source. I want the model, select all this and give OK. Now our drop down list is ready. Likewise for revenue and profit, go for data validation, select the list, select the source, select revenue and profit range and give OK. Now we get our revenue and profit toggling drop down list also ready. Here I'll select say an MPV and I will say a revenue for MPV and this profit it has incurred by the method of toggling. For that I will go for index and match function equals index. It asks an array. Now we are toggling to find the revenue and profit. Here our answer is in both the columns, so we have to select both the columns, comma, match, click on match. It asks a lookup value, say for this model MPV, comma, and the lookup array where the match is to be done. It is in column C. Select this, comma, give an exact match. Now since we need to toggle between the revenue and profit, we need to do one more match also, comma, match it asks a lookup value, say this is my lookup value for revenue, and the lookup array, this will be our lookup array, that both the revenue and profit, comma, 0, and close the bracket. Now we get a revenue of 45 million. Let's see with toggling what's the profit. It automatically changed from 45 to 40 million for an MPV. Let's see, we change the MPV to hatchback. We can see the value of profit also is changed. Likewise, the revenue also is changed. This is how with index and match combined Excel function we can perform both lookup with left and as well as right. This completes the session of index and match. Thank you for viewing my channel. Signing off, Deepak Jacob Thomas.